Welcome to Market Peaker. Volume analysis is a key tool in technical trading, helping traders confirm trends and identify reversals. Let's explore how to use it effectively. What is volume in trading? Volume represents the number of shares or contracts traded in a given period. High volume signals strong market interest, while low volume suggests weaker participation. How to use volume in trading. Trend confirmation. Rising prices with increasing volume confirm an uptrend. Falling prices with high volume confirm a downtrend. Reversals. Sudden volume spikes can signal potential reversals, especially after extended trends. Breakouts. High volume during a breakout validates the move, while low volume may indicate a false breakout. Pro tip: combine volume with indicators like RSI or MACD for more accurate analysis. Watch for divergence between price and volume to spot potential trend changes.